wish I had a window to the ocean. I'd open every time the skies are blue, and on that canvas blank but faint horizon, I daydream all my time with you. I wish I had a house up in the mountains that looks out on the Smokies' hazy green. 'Cause when I lose my blurred out faith to all this doubting, I think about the views we've seen. Maybe it's a sign that times are changing. The way you wear your hair, the floor that creaks, the old familiar places torn down for renovations, but there's some good that always keeps. I know I won't forget times we had in Tennessee. I wonder about the writers of those movies. You watch and watch again while feeling blue. If the stories in the lines that put to music comfort for their own lost. 'Cause no one ever hurts without still dreaming, and with love always comes a little sad, like the picture frame that holds the moments fleeting. You need to reach for someone's hand. Maybe it's a sign that times are changing. The way you wear your hair, the floor that creaks, the old familiar places torn down for renovations, but there's some good that always keeps. I know I won't forget times we had in Tennessee. It's like forgetting where you left your car keys, and stranded in that empty house alone, while your friends are out and drowning in their parties. You wonder if you've ever been home. I wonder, can you make this whole? Maybe it's a sign that times are changing. The way you wear your hair, the floor that creaks, the old familiar places torn down for renovations, but there's some good that always keeps. I know I times we had in Tennessee. I know I won't forget those times we had in Tennessee.